Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Finding out if you have a warrant in New York can be a stressful and confusing process, but ignoring it will only make things worse. A warrant is a legal document issued by a judge that authorizes the police to arrest you. This can happen for many reasons, from missing a court date for a traffic ticket to more serious criminal charges. The biggest problem with an outstanding warrant is that it never expires, and it can pop up at the worst possible time, like during a routine traffic stop, at the airport, or when applying for a job. So, let's talk about how you can check for a warrant in New York State safely and effectively. The absolute safest and most recommended way to check is to hire a criminal defense attorney. A lawyer can make inquiries on your behalf without revealing your location or putting you at risk of immediate arrest. They have the experience and access to confidentially check court records and police databases. If a warrant does exist, they can advise you on the best course of action, like arranging a voluntary surrender, which often looks much better to a judge than being caught by the police. This is the professional, low-risk option. Another relatively safe method is to contact a bail bondsman. Bail bond agencies have systems to check for warrants because it's part of their business. They can often run your name and find out if there's an active warrant, usually for free. The catch is that they will likely try to sell you their services if you do have one. Still, it's a way to get information without directly interacting with law enforcement. You can also try calling the clerk of the court in the county where you believe the warrant might have been issued. If you missed a court date, call the clerk for that specific court. You can ask if there is any outstanding business or a warrant associated with your name and case number. Be prepared to provide your full name and date of birth. While this is more direct, you are identifying yourself to the court, so it carries some risk. What about online searches? This is where it gets tricky. New York State does not have a single, centralized, public online database for all active warrants. Some county sheriff's offices might have a warrant or most wanted list on their website, but these are often for serious felonies and are not a complete list. Be very wary of third-party websites that promise to find warrants for a fee. These sites are often inaccurate, outdated, and are not official sources. Finally, the one thing you should absolutely not do is walk into a police station or a courthouse and ask in person. If you have a warrant, you will be arrested on the spot. This is the highest risk method and should be avoided at all costs. To recap, your best bet is to go through a lawyer. It protects you and gives you a clear path forward. If you have a warrant, don't panic, but do take it seriously. Addressing it head-on with legal help is the only way to resolve it. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide provided some clarity on a difficult topic. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more straightforward legal information.